be real careful with this because I would not want to slice something I do not want to slice. I'm hoping this will be nicer than that. Yeah, all right. Cool. Yeah, that's a big difference. That's a big difference. I get hot spots on this. Maybe I'm so upright on this Dutch bike. Isn't that right, Millie? Yes. That I'm hoping this will feel a bit better. Yeah. It's jacked up a little, so just a little bit forward, so when it comes off the stand, it'll be back to normal. Into the shed. Yeah. Yeah, we'll give that a try. Yeah. Seat's on, battery's charged. Maybe we go for a spin. Okay, off to the local park we went, and yeah, super successful. It's hard for Millie to get in and out through the front, and it's hard for her to turn around in the trailer, but we'll figure that out. But trailer power washed up real nice. The seat's great. This is what we're here for. I might lower it just a little because it's a bit taller now because of all that padding, but yeah, Dutch bike with a front hub motor, any kind of motor, really improves it, and it's really necessary when you've got a trailer with a 30-kilo dog. So that's it. Successful install of the seat. It works really well. Saddle, and yeah, the trailer hookup. It actually worked. I got it to clear everything with a little bit of persuasion, but you can still use the stand, and it all just works. So that's it for me. Stick around for the next one, like and subscribe, and yeah, if you're ever thinking about doing an e-bike conversion on your Dutch bike or any other bike, go for it. They're fantastic. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.